Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Monday, October 10th. Hard to believe the year continues to fly by. Um, First, I did not record my daily vlogs Saturday or Sunday. I just did not prioritize them. For that, I forgive myself. Like at the end of the day, what else can you do? But it's such a great reminder. If you do not do it, the only thing you cannot do later is record the video or take the picture. This weekend we had a ton of fun as a family. We played Legos, we watched movies, we played Switch together, we did date night, we watched Hocus Pocus 2. It was delightful. But we had a ton of fun as a family. And that's why I do everything I do. So it's important never to lose sight of that. But the week is on. That means it's time to get to work and take action and make things happen. So this week I am doing a bunch of follow-up from the conference last week, a bunch of prospecting, got some networking events, some initial sales meetings where I'm building relationships and figuring out what people are struggling with. And one thing that I've been working on that has been harder than I anticipated was figuring out how do I describe what it is we do. And so this is where I'm at so far, is we are communication consultants. And so what we do is we come into businesses and we focus on how are they communicating their message within their organization and outside of their organization. So we use chat, we use social media, we can do softwares, Zoom, Teams, you name it. We've got the partnerships because DataTel has partnerships with over 1,000 different companies. So whatever people are looking to accomplish, the tools are out there. You just have to figure out which are the right tools, how to integrate those tools, and how to set it up. And that's where DataTel comes in. That's what we do. We integrate the tools, we set it all up, we do all the back end stuff. And the value add that DataTel brings to the table is the people. It is the installation, it's the service, it is the boots on the street. Because big companies don't want to have a whole bunch. Remember, the more complicated your business is, the harder it is to manage. So when a company sells through a channel, so we're channel partners for a lot of companies. When they sell through the channel, what they're doing is saying, here, you, my channel partner, you determine the niche, you determine the focus, you determine everything. We're going to be the back-end service that you're selling. And so that's how these partnerships work. That's how life works, is someone's adding value to something else that someone else did, right? So really figuring out how to describe that, and part of the challenge that I've been working through is when you can sell so many different things, it makes prospecting incredibly difficult, because the more you do, the harder it is to narrow down what it is you do. So I've been working through how do I structure that? How do I structure it in my brain? How do I structure it in my mind so that I get the best results for me, I get the best results for my clients, and we all win together? And so that's what I've been working on a lot lately. I'll be working on that a lot this week. And if anybody out there is a telecom reseller that does something similar to what it is we do here at DataTel, and you want to collaborate and figure out how to work together, even sharing best practices, there's more than enough out there for everyone. So let's work together. Reach out. I'm happy to partner up. But so that's all been going on, and then just getting ready for the future. And this is the thing I keep talking about time, and I hope people are starting to understand, is the 24 hours you have is the most valuable thing you will ever have. And if you don't have an idea of how you're taking that 24 hours and fitting it into your life design, no one's going to do it for you. You must design your life. You must design what you want to accomplish, how you want to accomplish, how you're going to get there. And then every day, once you've designed it, as long as you take a baby step, you're getting closer. As long as you take time to pull out your plan and look at it or think about it, you're working on your plan. And that's what's important. It's not about the minutes or the hours or the days. It's about the years. And you can't be in business for 10 years without first starting with year one. And so that's why I encourage everybody. If you do not know what you want out of life, you will not get it. So make sure you iron that out. Think about that, process that, and think about how are you going to get what you want out of life? Because you only get one. So I constantly am thinking about, what life do I want to live? That's why I prioritize so much time with my family. It's the most important thing to me. It just is. So if you don't have a plan, you won't know what and how to prioritize things. So if I can ever help with you guys, reach out, let me know. I'm here to serve. And with that said, I hope you have a fantastic week. And we'll talk to y'all soon.